Growing up in Jamaica, my mom and my grandma, they used to be the one that always, look after the castor bean. They used to ask us to go and fetch it though, because we have more energy to pick it and carry it. And then we'll put it on the zinc in the sun and let it do its thing. And then after them finish, make it dry out in the sun, they would have parched it over wood fire and then crush them in a warm mortar. And then the mortar now would have start release some of the oils, Then they would have put it in a one big pot and put it on the wood fire and then make it boil. Them do other things to it, but they make it boil until all the oil release from it. And then you have that thick, dark, rich Jamaican black castor oil. Traditionally, grandma and mommy used to nourish areas like with elbows, with dry, help support our hair growth. Places where we needed the oil, and this was grandma's signature smell. When you visit grandma, wow, so she used castor oil. The oil is rich, thick, and makes it ideal for targeting areas, as I said to you, the edges, the elbows, the lashes, areas that need attention. People even use it as a pack for pain. You know what I mean? And then use it as a nighttime pack as well. There's so many ways you can use, castor oil. This oil will settle naturally for a few days before using, because I need to make sure that all the remaining, fiber of the castor bean is not in the oil. So it's going to settle for a little while and then I can use it. So it's been around 3 hours since we've extracted the castor oil from the beans. And that, you see that little rim right there? That is the amount of oil we have. And this has been 2 days since we extracted the castor oil from the beans. You see that it's kind of, settling nicely. See my baby? This is my castor oil. You see that? You see that? That's my castor oil. It's settling at the bottom, guys. You see all of this here, so it's the debris. But this is gonna settle down a bit more. It's gonna fall probably to down here, so when it get compact. And then I'm gonna be left with that amount of oil. And then this down here I can use for my face scrub, body scrub, or I can add it to my cosmetic homemade formula for myself. This is amazing. So yeah, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this tonight. Yeah, that's my castor oil. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is day 6, and the castor oil, it reduced so much more, and we're looking good, and it's thick. Let me show you. It's thick and nice in there. I can't wait to bottle it up and show you guys. All right, don't forget to turn your notification bell on as well. All right, thanks for joining. Talk to you soon.